Hi everyone, Dan and Steph here once again. This week we are here to share with you a great recipe that we love cooking. And tonight we are cooking a heart-healthy dish from the Heart Foundation and Coles Cook with the Heart Challenge. Fish fingers with sweet potato wedges. It's quick, easy, and your heart will love it.
Okay guys, first step with our fish fingers and sweet potato wedges, pretty simple. We've got some beautiful fresh sweet potato. We've cut into wedges. We're gonna get them into a bowl. So we're gonna give them a good coat with this olive oil. Just spray olive oil onto a tray. Hot oven, 220 degrees, 30 minutes.
Okay guys, the sweet potato wedges are in the oven. Now we have to move on to our fish fingers. So we have some beautiful Sandy Straits whiting here.
A little tip when crumbing is to make sure that you have one hand that's not dirty.
I can never do that one.
Here we go. Flour, egg, clean hand, and then into the crumb. We've got some cooked quinoa that's been cooled. We've got some panko. We've got some sesame seeds and we've got some sweet paprika. We've finished crumbing our fish. We're gonna put this in the same oven as the sweet potato wedges, same temperature, but for 15 minutes.
One more step to this delicious, yummy dish.
That's right guys, so you can't have fish and chips without tartare sauce. So today we're gonna do a very healthy version. Instead of using mayonnaise, we're gonna use low-fat Greek yogurt. So very simple, just gonna dice everything really super small, really fine, and then we're just gonna mix it all through the yogurt. So we just wanna chop these up. Doesn't have to be pretty, we just want to quick dice it. Got a few different kinds of pickles. We've got the sweet, we've got the salty, we've got the sour. We've got some spring onions, some fresh parsley, straight out of the garden. Quick squirt of lemon juice. Beautiful. Okay guys, what I love about this dish is the fish has gone in, the wedges are gone in, but they're both coming out at the same time. So everything's ready, fish is cooked perfect, the wedges are nice and golden. We've got our beautiful local whiting that we're so happy to be able to showcase. A little bit of salad, couple of lemon wedges. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good to me. The best thing about it, great for your heart.
So there we have it guys, our yummy fish fingers with sweet potato wedges. That's good for your heart. For more details about this challenge and lots more healthy heart recipes, check out the cookwiththeheart.com.au website. Help the Heart Foundation raise much funds and join in the challenge. Enjoy!